Hey guys, what's going on? So next generation Snapdragon X2 CPUs already being tested, and the project was Glymur codename, and the chip they used was SC8480XP chips. And Qualcomm Snapdragon X lineup was launched a few months back and had a lot of momentum riding its back with the expectation of a solid AI PC experience with a strong CPU and GPU combo. While the hype was strong, initial reviews and performance results were a little bit short, with the IPC improvement, single performance, core performance, and efficacy, battery life being regarded as the highlights, while the multi-core graphics performance was a bit lackluster. The company did offer a solid array of solutions available at different price points ranging from 12, 10 and most recent 8-core SoCs within its X Elite and X Plus families. However, the first generation Snapdragon lineup featured the Orion core architecture, and we just saw a detailed shot which you can check out here in this pic. The X Elite with 12 core, Snapdragon X Plus with 10 core, and Snapdragon X Plus also comes in 10 core. Since then, x86 players such as AMD and Intel have come back hard with strong offerings in the form of Ryzen AI 300 Strix and Core Ultra 200V Lunar Lake SoCs. These offer improved NPUs, a strong CPU core, and incredible integrated GPUs, which offer some of the best performance out there in the market. So, knowing this, guys, it looks like Qualcomm is going to continue to build upon the momentum that kicked off with the first generation Snapdragon X family and is already testing the next gen Snapdragon X2 placeholder codename SoCs. According to WinFuture, Qualcomm has been testing the next gen Snapdragon X2 SoCs for quite some time, and it's reported that the internal base show that the SC8480XP SoCs, which utilize the Glymur project name Glymur, were tested in July and August, so Q3 2024 to be exact. And it should be remembered that the current gen of Snapdragon X SoCs have an internal model number 8380XP and are codenamed Hamoa. Furthermore, it's stated that Qualcomm is still in a very early stage of testing its next gen SoCs, as the development boards can be equipped with a variation of NAND and memory components. However, this is similar to RVPs or EVPs, which are early evaluation platform designed to test sample before the official specs is finalized. Though an earlier Dell XPX leak, it was confirmed that the Qualcomm is working on at least two next-gen variants of Orion CPU architecture, which will be featured in Snapdragon X-based AI PCs, and these includes the Snapdragon X V2, which is planned for launch around mid-2025, and the follow-up Snapdragon V3 is expected to arrive Q4 of 2027. And these are preliminary timelines, but since the leak comes from Dell itself, a major partner of Qualcomm, we can say for sure that Qualcomm has its new SoCs in the works. But the tech outlet also reports that a new entry-level variant in the Snapdragon X Plus lineup is also being prepped, which will be tagged as the X1P-24-100, and this should retain an 8-core design, but we can expect lower clocks or GPU performance. But with that said, we look forward to the Qualcomm can further refine its Snapdragon X lineup in the future for PCs, to be specific for laptops.